Hey, my name is Anthony. Today we're going to be unboxing Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 3 and 4 Collector's Edition. So let's get into it. Trying to defragile. Let's take a look. This one's for the Nintendo Switch. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Let's see. Just take our time, be careful with it. Absolutely beautiful. There we go. Get a full view. There's the game. Can't wait to play it. Oh, and the board that will be going on the wall, because this is definitely not something to skate. Absolutely beautiful. Signed by Tony Hawk. Has the name of the game on it. This one we don't care about. Here's the game. Oh wow. I cannot wait to play it. Especially use Tony Hawk and Bam, because of course he's my favorite. Give it a try today and we'll let you know how it goes.